Okay guys, 2016 Silverado. Doing a little update review on it. We got the 79 Belltech lift. You see all the angles are straight. I don't never see nobody with a Belltech lift, so just want to say that. Got the Cognito control on. Powder coated my spring. Got the compression struts under there. Get that angle good. See this sun bright out here. Got the Boost Auto tow mirror. Got them on. Got the sequential lights. I'll put another video up showing all the lights on there and everything. How I look at night. I also got those more moto tail lights in that thing. I know you can't miss that big chrome toe hitch, drop down toe hitch with that reverse ball on there. Yeah, it ride pretty good. I had no complaints with the ride. Ride good. I was shocked myself. See everything in there. No scrubbing. I got some 26-inch reps gonna put on her soon. Hopefully put it in the next video. Hope y'all like the build. Anything else y'all want to know, just let me know in the comments. Got some headlights going on in there. Show that in the next video. And there you have it. Belltech 79. Okay, we got an update, guys. This what's coming. We got the Step Your Game Up Boost Auto Steps. Running boards, whatever you want to call them. Next video coming soon. Okay guys, I'm up under here taking the bolts off my old running board. You need a 13 millimeter to take off your old running board. I'm gonna start unbolting these, then I'll get back to you. Okay guys, I got one of the steps off. Gonna get ready to start putting on the rest. Alright guys, we back with the Silverado, back in the cut. Look what we got on here today, guys. We got the 26-inch reps, 26 by 10 GMC reps on some 33 by 12 and a half mud grip tires. See how it's sitting? No scrubbing. Kind of bright out here. You see the wheels. See, I put the Boost Auto running boards on here also. Okay, well. Okay guys, this is what it looks like with the Boost Auto